hello. We are back again for our online lesson, and we are now in online lesson number 5. For today, we're going to learn the letter P. But before that, let me ask you, how are you today? That's good. Let's sing first the hello song. Did you or do you remember that song? Let's sing it again. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Wow, let's sing it one more time. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Wow, you did sing very well. For that, let me give you a reward. I'll be giving you a, look at that. It's a dancing star. Yay. Okay, that's a dancing star. Look at that. Good job. Okay, now before we continue, let's just have a short review. For the past lesson, we are still in Phonics Group 1, wherein we're going to learn how many letters sound? S, A, T, P, I, N. Okay, we're going to learn 6 letter sounds in Group 1. We already finished the letter sound. Let me just try to check out this. We already finished the letter S. Right, that's correct. And we also finished the letter sound. Right? And we also finished the letter sound. Great. And we also finished the letter sound. You remember this? This is I, right? For today, we are going to learn letter sound P. Good. Oops. Now, let's have our class rules first. What is our class rules? Listen and look at who? Teacher Rosie. One more time. Listen and look at Teacher Rosie. Okay, so now let's move on to our lesson. Okay, let's make this a bit bigger. Ooh, there, teacher's quite big now. We can see me now. Okay, so this is the letter sound. P. Okay, this is P. Okay, can you see it 3 times? Okay, look at my mouth. Okay, I'll move forward or closer so you can see it should be P. 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 Okay, do it. Yes, good job. That's great. Let me give you another dancing star. Yay. Good job. Now let's proceed. We're going to learn the actions so you will not forget it. So look, there's a cake. It's a big pink cake. So it says there, put your finger over here, and then this is like, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, and then you would blow your candle like that. Right? So when you put this here, and then imagine you're blowing your cake on your birthday, that will be great. Okay, this action will let you remember the sound. Okay, let's move on. Oops. Okay, so we're going to listen to the song first. Okay, so look, is a chubby girl and blowing her candles on her cake. Let's listen to the song first and then we'll sing it together. Okay, listen first.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Great. So let's read it together. Follow after me. I will read it. You follow after me. So puff out the candles. Great. On the pink pig cake. And then we will say p, p. Good. P, p, p. Yes. We'll do it one more time. Puff out. Good. The candles on the pink pig cake. And then puff, puff, puff. Okay, this time I will play the audio and let's sing together.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Wow, good job. Let me give you another star. There you go. Oops. Look, how many stars do you have? Yes, you got 3 stars. Now, it's time to continue. Okay, look. It says there, 3 of these pictures have p sound in them. We're going to cross out one that does not. Okay, so let's have first this. Look at this. What is this? Is that? Yes, that's correct. You're right. This is a panda. Yes, that's a panda. Panda bear. Again, let's just have panda bear. Now let's move on. What about this? This is a pie. Is it a pie? Yes, it's a pie cake or pie. Now let's move on. Let's have this. Oops, do you know what is that? That is a oops, let me spell it out. It's feather. Say it, feather. Yes, and this is the last one. There is a, let me encircle so you'll see that. This is a, yes, you're right. Good job. It's a pen. Okay, now let's try to remove all the circles to figure out. Now, look at those pictures. What picture or what word doesn't have p, p, p? Is it panda bear, pie, pen, or feather? Did you see which word doesn't have? Oh yes, that is feather. Great job. You're so good. Very good. Now let me remove that and let me give you another reward. For this time, I want to give what is this? Wow, it's an ice cream. Do you like an ice cream? Yes, so here you are. It's yummy and cold ice cream. Good job. Now let me just let me remove that ice cream so you will concentrate in having class first. Let's just leave those stars. Now, I guess we're moving on to our writing. We're going to write the big or capital letter P or P and the small letter P or P. But before we continue, let me remind you how to hold your pencil properly. Okay, but before that, please get a pencil and a paper. Okay, please get a pencil and a paper. Okay, or a notebook. Doesn't matter as long as you have something to write on. Okay, now let us just watch the simple reminder on how to hold your pencil properly. Please watch. But before we write, let me teach you how to hold your pencil properly so you will be more comfortable in writing. So I have my pencil. It's a yellow pencil. So before that, you have to make an alligator mouth. Okay? So, and after that, I'm going to get my pencil. You hold it here at the mouth of the alligator. Okay, now we're going to have the tripod grip. Okay, there. This, look, that's how to read. How to hold your pencil properly. So only 3 fingers are holding your pencil. Don't hold the pencil too far like this. No. And again, let me go near. And don't hold it very near this. I think just up here. There. That's the proper way how to hold your pencil so you would write very comfortable. Okay? Not here, not there, but here. Okay, I think if you're holding it like this, you are ready to write. Okay, let's go. Okay, now you're ready? You have your pen. We're going to write now. Okay, so let's just start first with a big letter P or P. Okay, one line going down and a curved line here. Okay, so 2 strokes. One line going down, follow after me. One line going down and one curved line. Did you see that? Okay, one last time and I will see what you wrote. Okay, one line going down. Next is a curved line. Okay, let me see your work now. Oh, wow. Excellent. That's great. Good job. What reward will I give you? For now, let me give you a... Oh, what is that? Wow. Do you like candy? Oh, too much sweet. Wow, this is candy. You're good. So I gave you candy. Good job. Now let's proceed. We're going to write the small letter P or P. Okay? It's the same. Teacher, it's the same. Yes, but it's smaller. So this is the same but lower. Okay, here, the same. One and then a curved line. If you're having a hard time writing, you can follow this first to make a curved line. Take the path. Oh my gosh, teacher doesn't know. Okay, one. We'll do this first. That's so you can learn how to do some curved lines. But if you're good in writing, Oh, then move to the pig. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Let me see what you wrote. Wow, that's great. So let's see. If in your notebook, we got 3 lines here. Let's see what is the difference between the big letter P and the small letter P. So one line going down. There we go. That is the big letter P. And the small one is over here. Okay, I want you to write like this. Okay, one line going down. Do you see that? And then, okay, do you see? Wow, let me see what you wrote. Good job. That's great. Now, you know how to write the letter P. Now we're going to move to the next. Okay, the next one is, we're going to review first again. This is S, together with the action. Next is this is T, T. Good. This is I, 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 I. And today we learn P, P. Now it's time to blend. We're going to blend the sound. Okay, this is okay, yes, say it. It's P, it, P, it, pit. Good job. Yay. Very good. Let me draw a star here. Great. Now let's move on. Yes, that is pat. Okay. Pat. Good job. Oh, let me draw a better star for you. Okay, there we go. Now let's move on to tap. Great, that is tap. Yay, good job. Now let's move on to tip. Yes, very good. Wow, how many stars you have here? You got 4 stars. Yay, good job. So, did you learn something today? Yes. And before we say goodbye to each other, let's sing our goodbye song. Come on. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye. See you on our next class. Goodbye.